मेरा टर्नओवर 100 करोड़ से ऊपर का रहता है। अगर आप इनकम से प्रभावित होते हैं, पैसों से प्रभावित होते हैं, तो मैं 6 लाख रुपया महीना जीएसटी भरता हूं साहब। इनकम अलग है।
Are you really doing business, or you just getting trapped in a modern day scam in the name of MLM? That is nothing but multi-level marketing, or you can say network marketing. Thousands of innocent youth in our country are being looted daily by so-called entrepreneurs, motivational gurus, speakers who promise luxury cars, foreign trips and crores of overnight. But the truth is far darker. Here's the psychology behind the scam. They play with your psychology. They appear polished, confident, self-made. For 2 to 3 months, they keep giving you small timely return by investing in their products or recruiting new members just to gain your trust. Then they fuel your greed. They'll say, don't withdraw. Keep your profit in the profile. It will multiply faster. You open the app and see the growing balance online. It feels real. You feel secure. And then one fine day, after collecting a huge amount from thousands of people, they vanish overnight. By the time you realize, it's too late. Legally, let's be very clear. Such schemes are outright fraud. The Supreme Court made it crystal clear. Money circulation schemes are nothing but cheating. In fact, the Price, Cheats and Money Circulation Schemes Act completely prohibits such pyramid model in India. And now under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Section 318, Section 319 and Section 318 subclause 4 all directly applies here. These so-called MLM leaders don't sell products, they sell dreams. Fancy car on rent, photos in front of luxury houses and foreign trips sponsored by your own money. It's all a show. Behind a glamour, there's no genuine business model, only a chain where new victims fund the old ones. And like every chain, the last link always breaks, leaving innocent people bankrupt. Guys, please think logically. If making crore was that easy by just adding 2 or 3 friends, why aren't these MLM leaders running real companies listed on the stock exchange? Because it's not business, it's a scam built on your dreams. So here's my advice as a lawyer as well as a citizen. Always invest in tangible assets, assets that you can hold, touch and rely upon in emergencies, because emergencies don't come with an appointment. If you or someone you know has already been trapped, don't stay silent. File a complaint under the Money Circulation Schemes Act. Use the BNS cheating provisions. Expose these fraudsters before they destroy more lives. Remember, business builds career, but MLM fraud destroys lives. It's time to end this mass loot of India's youth. Thank you.